Hello everyone. Today's a full moon in Japan. 皆さんこちらどこにいると思いますか? Guess where I'm at. I don't know if it's I think it might be too dark. So right now I'm on sea and I'm on this ferry towards Osaka. No, towards Fukuoka. Okay, let me go inside. I think the wind is crazy, right? すいません、ちょっとoh, see? 風が強くてごめんなさい。Look at how beautiful my country is. Okay, let's go inside. Alright. Again, こんばんは。皆さんこんばんは。So today, I'm going to be doing a room tour of my sweet first class room at Ferry Osaka 2. So as you can see, the ferry is 8. It has 8 levels. 2 to 5 are the cars, and because people can bring their car inside in trucks. And 6, 7, 8 are the guest rooms. So we'll be going over the amenities and my room. はい、このフェリー大阪で今は博多じゃないや福岡に、北九州ですね、厳密に言うとに向かって走ってます。じゃあ早速部屋行きましょうか。一番高い部屋取りましたので調子乗って、見せていきます。So guys, I booked the most expensive room on this ferry. So my room is at 8th level and it's S201. And there's only one type of this room in this whole ferry. で、このフェリーで一つしかこの部屋ありません。で、僕の部屋結構特別で、ちなみにこれ自販機ですね。And we have the price is surprisingly pretty good for a ferry, like Coke, that's like 1.6 Singapore, 1.2 USD. フェリーの割にはなんか安いよね。ビールとか。We got some booze as well. Asahi Super Dry for 240 yen, 2.4 Singapore, and more alcohol. So these are the deluxe rooms. これデラックスルームですね。which is pretty good already, but mine is the best, guys. じゃあこのデラックスの部屋も全部いいんですけど、やっぱり僕の部屋が多分一番いいですね。後でどれぐらい払ったかも教えます。I'll talk about how much I paid later in this stream. Okay, Suite BS201. 入りましょうか。Welcome. How awesome is this, guys? どうすかこの部屋。Okay, じゃあちょっとルームツアーしましょうか。Okay, let's do a room tour of my overnight ferry room. Check it out. So this is westernized Japan room. はい、和洋折衷の部屋ですね。So it's called westernized Japanese room because that area over there is the tatami Japanese area, and here is the western area. So a lot of the ryokans do this style too. It's because a lot of elderlies and even pregnant women, it's not really practical and comfortable to sleep on the traditional Japanese futon, which is on the floor. It's always better to have a bed, right? So it's a popular option, and there's only one of this room in this whole ferry, if I'm not incorrect. はい。じゃあまずはエントランスからやりましょうか。Okay, let's start from the entrance. We have the mirror, and inside here, yeah, some towels and stuff. And we even got some life jacket if we hit the iceberg or something. はい、一応ね、こういう感じで、touch wood。一応こんな感じでライフジャケットがあると。で、 こがトイレですね。And this is a toilet. Yes, it's equipped with a bathtub. はい、バスタブ付きなんですよ。で、もちろんトイレはウォシュレット。Of course, we have the remote functions, the traditional Japanese toilet. And you can tell I was having some fun just now. はい、ちなみにさっきもうすでにここ、風呂に浸かりながら飲みました。You might be wondering why there's a beer can here. It's because I was drinking while enjoying my bath. It's pretty cool here. 最高ですね。じゃあ次ちょっと部屋行きましょうか。Okay, let's go to the room. Okay, let's pan here because it's so beautiful. Wow. Awesome. So we have a TV. で、テレビがここにあって、and I love how there's so much area to put my stuff. で、机がでかくてありがたいですね。アメニティこんなんですね。So for the amenities, we got 2 bottles of water. 水が2つ。Instant coffee. Razor. Hairbrush. Shower cap. Yeah, I forgot to use this. Oh my gosh, just now. Pine bath. これさっき使うの忘れた温泉の素。Kettle. Machine gun. Cups. コップと、で、ここが冷蔵庫ですね。And fridge. With nothing inside. で、ベッドはなぜか2つありますが、1人です。1人で泊まります。There are 2 beds, but I'm solo, traveling solo, so I think I'll sleep here. ここにしようかな。Nearer to the window. And this is the tatami room. で、ここが畳の部屋と。Awesome. 空気洗浄機。Air purifier. 2 座布団 cushions. 座布団2つ。And a mini TV. Cool, right? Got 2 TVs. テレビ2つあるのいいよね。And it's like a Japanese style window. If I open it, there's a curtain. で、カーテンもこうやってあると。で、景色こんな感じ。And this is the view. Yeah, it's very dark. You probably don't see anything. 多分、漆黒の闇って感じなんですけど。まあ、明日の朝楽しみですね。Quite excited about the view when I wake up tomorrow. But it's reaching Kita-Kyushu 5:30 a.m. So it might be dark still. だから北九州に5時半に着くんですよ。だからちょっとまだ暗いかもしれないけど、まあ景色見れたらラッキーって感じですね。Yeah, so this is the room. If I go downstairs, there's a restaurant, there's an arcade, there's a place with lots of vending machines. You can even purchase cup noodles, and information counter, even a souvenir shop. So you'll find like Osaka and Kyushu souvenirs. And it's because some people, so I'm coming from Osaka to Kyushu, right? So some people, they'll probably forget to buy souvenir. So on the ship, they'll buy like Osaka souvenir and give it to, I don't know, like families or friend in Kyushu. Yeah, so very convenient. そんな感じかな。下に、6階には、売店とか、インフォメーションカウンターとか、レストランとかね、ビュッフェでしたね。I had a buffet dinner just now. $16 for buffet dinner and breakfast. Quite affordable, right? 2 buffets for $16. めっちゃ安かった。なんかビュッフェ、夜ビュッフェと朝ビュッフェで1600円なんで、すごいコスパいいですよね。で、いくら払ったかですが、27,000円でした。ネットで払って。So, guess how much I paid? I paid 27,000 yen. which is around $270. So you might, yeah, it's not cheap. Of course, it's not cheap. But if you consider taking a Shinkansen, so another alternative from Osaka to Fukuoka is taking the Shinkansen, and that will cost around like 20,000 yen-ish. And if you stay at hotel, that will cost like additional like 7,000 yen, which is like 27,000 yen. So it's the same price because this is an overnight ferry, sleeper ferry. So basically I'm saving one night hotel stay. So it adds up to become a same price. で、27,000円ってもちろん高いんですけど、実は、新幹線で福岡行って、一泊したらだいたい27,000円ぐらいかかるんですよね。だから、フェリー乗ると一泊浮くんで、同じぐらいの値段なんですよ、実は。だからね、これおすすめですね。だからちょっと早めに予約した方がいいかもしれないですね。結構人気の部屋みたいなんで、1個しかないしね。Yeah. So that was very quick, but that was a mini room tour of my room. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I can get a good night's sleep. I think I gotta sleep soon. It's 8:35 p.m. But tomorrow, if I want to eat breakfast, I should wake up at 4 a.m., which scares the heck out of me. But yeah, I think I'll try. で、明日ちょっと4時起きで4時半のビュッフェ食べてって感じにしたいので、ちょっとビビりますが早すぎてちょっと10時には寝たいね。sleep by 10だ。ということでこの辺に終わりにしたいと思います。So if you enjoyed it, please leave a like. I've shot a bit for my main channel, so you'll get to see this room in my main channel as well. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Gib Oji-san and this channel too. はい、メインチャンネルでもこのホテルちょっとちらっとお見せできると思いますので、ぜひチャンネル登録お願いします。ジブおじさんで検索すると出ますので。はい。ではまたお会いしましょう。じゃあね、寝ます。See you.